And how many presents do you have today?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Abigail, which one are you starting with?
This one.
Go ahead.
Open it and see what it is. Tear it up like you're a picker.
I know what that is.
What's in there?
What is it, Abigail?
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Can you tell us what it is?
Brush.
Yeah.
Meal. Brush.
A brush and a mirror. Is it a brush set? A hairbrush set?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, not yet.
This,
No, I won't.
this
Go ahead.
What?
Open it. You open all your presents. Go ahead.
You know which one is starting
Yeah.
with?
What?
Now open this and see.
Oh, that's pretty.
Wow. What is it?
I got on.
What's that, Abigail?
Stuck on it. It's stuck.
What do you think this is?
Mine has hangers.
Hangers.
My name.
What does it say on it?
Whoa.
Smile is
Love
the
Mommy.
prettiest thing a girl can wear.
Loves my zeb. She's reading what she wants it
From
to be.
Sam, okay.
Now it's from Mommy and Daddy. Let's start the other one. I start the other one. Ooh.
Wow.
What is it?
Oh, it's cute.
Do you know what it
You
is?
can hang your jewelry off of it and put your rings down there.
And bracelets.
It's got a bird.
And it has bows on it. Now can I start with the other one?
Yes. Keep opening it.
Okay.
Oh my goodness! You got a sprinkler! Is it broke?
Because we got free water.
No, it's not broken.
Zed, do you want to do it today?
Do what?
I know.
The sprinkler.
Sure, we'll set it up.
Yeah, we can do it
let's set
today.
it up. Yeah, let's do it today.
That's a sprinkler when we have water. See the picture? That's what you do with it.
Wow.
Clothes. You want to show us the clothes real quick? We can't see it.
Wow.
Wow.
It's
Yeah.
like, wow.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's good. Giraffe. It's your favorite thing, a giraffe?
Okay, open it.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Ooh.
A giraffe outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Let's see it.
Oh, that's pretty.
Ready.
Look, Zeb.
I see it.
Okay, open the next one.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Go ahead.
So polite, Abigail.
Ooh.
Oh, little shorts to go with it.
Ready.
That's a cute little outfit.
You
I
see
see it. Yeah. Gonna wear with the giraffe shirt?
Can
I
okay, start with the next one?
Yeah.
All the way
Put that in
until
the bag,
we got
please.
it. You remember that jump start scene? I now have a crater of my own where Pum-Pum's always go.
What's that, Abigail?
One elephant with different that one with it.
It's a gardening set. You open it and you put all your gardening tools in the bag that comes with it.
Okay, open another present.
We're going to do all the gardening stuff later, Abigail. Okay, Abigail, let's see what's next.
This is next.
What's in there?
Such a big toy.
What's in there? What's that?
Glue.
Sidewalk chalk.
You paint with it? Draw with it?
What is it?
I paint with it.
It's a sidewalk chalk.
All right.
Can I open the next one?
Of course.
Good name.
Boy.
Wow. Are those bows?
The next one?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Nice, isn't it?
You want
It's
straw?
actually like a real deer float with ice.
Necklace.
Oh.
And bracelets.
They have hearts. Here you go.
Like
Thank
a
you.
hot.
Can I have another one?
Yeah. What's this one?
A puzzle.
All right.
Puzzle.
That's got you on there, isn't it?
Can I get the next one? I got the next one.
Oh, nice.
Wow. Fingernail polish.
Yeah. Books.
Yeah.
Where you going?
I think she's tired.
I don't
Are you
know.
tired of opening presents?
No.
No.
No, I'm not.
She wants them doggy ones.
She's already seen these pink ones.
Oh, yeah?
I mean, they've been sitting here for a while. Probably all month.
Oh, Paw Patrol shoes.
Ooh.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah.
You take them out.
What pup do they have on them?
It was Sky.
Paw Patrol.
They're gonna replace your old Paw Patrols?
Yeah.
You want to show us your old ones?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, those are the old ones right there?
Yeah, the other one's been worn a while.
Okay.
Mail.
Mail.
She got mail.
Don't ruin that one, Abigail. Don't ruin that one.
Oh,
Oh.
I got my money back. I got my money back. Now I have money. Oh, this is my name.
What do you read on it?
wow.
Rudy got my name.
Rudy, spell her name now.
Rudy got my name.
Yes.
And she was about a shoe on it.
You want Grandma to read it to you?
Nice.
Now
Look.
can
Okay,
I
it
open
says, for you, grandchild.
She's reading it.
Can I open this?
Listen to Grandma.
She's reading.
Birthdays are a special time to celebrate and sing and to give thanks to the Lord above for the love and the joy that you bring. Have a happy birthday to my sweet granddaughter Abigail on her 3rd birthday and first one in America. Love you bunches, Grandma and Papa.
Wow.
Thank you.
What do you say to Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
You're welcome.
Now you got $5 you can do anything with.
This is my book.
Yeah.
Ooh. What kind of book is it? It's like a big girl book. We'll have to read it to understand what's there.
It has no
That's like
pictures.
Zeb when he...
No
Love
pictures.
everything about you.
Nice. When Zeb was opening presents as a kid. Next.
I remember doing that.
Another
Nice.
book.
That's a touch and feel book.
Goldilocks and the 3 bears. They're fuzzy.
Oh, you can feel it?
Wow.
What does it feel like?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
All right, we'll read it to you later on.
Yes, they love books. Zeb loves books too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Because he was bored to death in Israel.
A few to help.
He started reading books.
Gave me something to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, he couldn't talk to anybody, could he?
Yeah. He
Wasn't
would
much
walk
of
to
an
the
option.
bookstore. He'd walk to the bookstore and trade in
Go ahead,
books
Abigail.
and-
She gave me some free books too.
yeah. They had
They
Russian
had-
books and Hebrew books and
Did they have it in English?
Yeah, a lot of books in English, yeah. Because people bring their books with them.
Yeah.
They don't realize they're not going to use them forever.
I got way more.
So you what?
I got a lot. I even got one nieces in the
This is a
house.
bank? Oh, okay. I didn't know that you meant it was a bank. It's a bank you put money
What?
in.
It's got money in it.
It's already got money in it.
But you can't take it
Came
out.
with money.
You gonna let her see the money on? You gonna let her
So
see the
she's
money?
gonna figure it out.
You can hide that on your bed. Nobody can know it's
She
there.
got it.
There's a string there, though.
Here, we'll open it later, okay?
Yeah, 'cause it might be all over the place.
Yes,
Yeah.
it will. You know that rug in there? It's got pile that high?
Yeah.
There's still pennies in it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Raphael counted his money on it.
Mommy, Mom.
We'll get it later.
Yeah, let her get it later. She's,
Yeah, now she good.
beyond
Oh, we
it
got a lot of wrap wrap.
She's
She's
good
beyond
now.
it now.
She good now. You see that pink thing with hooks?
Oh, yeah.
Glittery thing?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
like that.
So she can hang necklaces and stuff on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this a point set?
It's a crayon set. It's got the crayons in it.
Right. Color by number.
See?
There we go.
Yeah, it's got the crayons.
You're gonna do like Rafael?
Yeah, we'll do that later too.
It's a butterfly.
There we go.
Next.
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 She wants that big one.
About to say next.
Yeah, you were about to say next.
Did I beat you to it?
What's that other one?
Oh, that's a water toy too.
Free water.
I wish I had free water.
I know. Wow, that's a water toy, Abigail. Look at the kids, what they're doing with it.
You see the picture?
Fun.
All right, go on to the next. We'll show you how to do it later.
Oh, she's got a big present too, but we haven't set it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think set it up. And then surprise her.
An apple.
Oh,
Terrarium.
this is from Judith Kennedy.
This is mine.
Yeah.
You want to tell Judith thank you?
Thank you, Judah.
Judith.
Judith.
You say thank you, Judith.
Thank you, Judith.
That's good enough. There's no F in it, but that's good enough.
I hope this is mine.
It is
It
yours.
is. It's all yours.
Butterfly.
Mine.
That's right.
You're precious.
All mine.
Yeah.
Yep, it's all yours.
All right, let's go to another one.
100% yours. Ooh, what's this?
Yeah, that's a dandy there.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, she changed her mind.
Do the bottom part
That's
of
enough.
it. Yeah, there you go.
She's very good in that one. Too much trouble.
Well, how much paper did you have there?
Aw.
Oh, it's a doggy. It's a poodle.
A poodle doggy.
Yeah.
Sweet
We just saw a poodle.
You gonna inspect that?
She watched a movie this morning with a poodle on it.
Oh, yeah?
Hotel dog or something.
A poodle doggy.
Yeah.
I saw poodle doggy walking. Another.
Oh, wow. Grandma said you wanted this and Grandma got it for you.
That other little girl didn't want it, so I brought it back home for you.
We had to tell the teller in the store that the little girl was, it's for a little girl, not her.
For some other little girl.
What does it do, Abigail?
It makes bubbles, you remember?
Nice to wash.
Yeah, making bubbles. Makes big bubbles.
Nice to wash.
We can play that too.
It's nice to
All right, you got a
wash.
couple
Well, almost
more.
done.
3 more.
Oh, that was fitting to open this next.
Yeah.
No, to open this next.
Oh.
Oh,
and then this
okay.
one, yeah.
All right.
Oh, okay.
Mine.
Yeah.
All she asked for was bubbles.
Oh,
Bubble
yeah.
wands.
Well, she
So I
got
got
lots
her
of bubbles.
Yeah, now she got.
Lots of bubbles. Okay,
We're gonna open that later.
This is mine.
Yes, it
Yes,
is. I think you can share this with Rafael, though.
I can.
Okay.
Yeah, they're for sharing. You and all your friends.
Thank you, Grandma.
You're welcome.
You know what this is?
Yeah.
What's it?
What is it?
It's bubbles for
More
your
bubbles.
bubble machine.
Okay,
More bubbles.
last one. That's a lot of opening.
Yes. It's like an hour. That's a lot of stuff to open. Has it got a dog on it?
Yeah.
That must be the best book ever.
Puppy.
Ah.
Precious. Does it say precious puppy?
Precious Puppies. A Feely book.
Oh,
Oh, that's
yeah.
nice. You gonna read it and feel it?
Well, she got a nice manicure there, doesn't she?
All right.
That was considerable more presents than I got when I was 3.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, I would say so.
I think I might have got one thing if I was lucky, and that was from
Oranges
who
and
I was
apples.
named after Esther.
Oh.
I'm done.
Esther Shoemaker.
Okay, Abigail, let's see what you got.
Yeah.
I got my
No, I
doggy.
thought-
My doggy. Thank you, Grandma.
Okay.
I'm Grandma. That's Grandpa.
Thank
What
you,
does she call him?
That's good enough for me.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Okay.
You're welcome,
you go.
darling.
Now thank Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Oh,
Okay.
you're welcome. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Are you gonna go read that book now? There we go.
She's going to gather up her dogs.
Big doggy.
You got your doggy?
Isn't that
And
cute?
sit
Isn't
with,
that cute little
and
poodle?
sit with Zeb.
The poodle.
Are you
Yeah,
sitting
that
with your
was that
favorite?
poodle that was on-
Hey,
Hello.
Okay, we have a surprise, Abigail. I want you to walk out there to the dome, and this is for your birthday, okay?
Yeah.
This is your last big birthday surprise. Okay?
Yeah.
Walk out to the dome.
Yay, my surprise.
what is it, Abigail?
A turtle.
Wait, it has a shell. Lift the lid and see what's in there.
Dirt.
Yes, it's a sandbox.
Yeah.
You want to play in it?
What?
Yeah.
Santa's your favorite thing. Ooh, okay.
Yay! Yeah, you can sit in it and play in it.
You want to make a sandcastle in it?
Wow, that's nice.
Marry me.
Bury you?
I thought she said marry me.
Because it's the best present ever. I think we need to get 2 more bags of sand. This was 2 bags.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
This is awesome.
Now it looks like it fits only one kid at a time. That's what she loves.
You love sand.
I don't even know how we approved this. I had a sandbox when I was a kid too.
Yeah, me too. Well, no, I didn't. I just lived in the woods with
Well, I had to have a proper sandbox with cat and dog poop in it.
Right.
And the kibbutz in Israel.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're very welcome, Abigail.
I can play in it now.
Yeah, for hours and hours.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're very welcome.
I'm very itchy right now. I really want to get in that sandbox.
All
Hey, you dug to the bottom.
right.
Turtle's foot.
Yeah.
A turtle's foot is a chair. I'm gonna bury you. Let's make sand balls.
I love that they're happy.
Love your present? Yeah. I love it too. Mush it. I'll get a sandbox of my own for my birthday. My 8th birthday or 7th.
For your 7th birthday that you are going to absolutely love.
Where what are they doing?
Smelling each other.
What? They like each other. They like each other.
Yeah, they like each other.
At night, she comes here to get a good night ritual.